ALP is
amazing.
ALP is a great way of practicing before entering the real world.
The way that ALP was described to me is consulting projects, but under the guidance of faculty members. But it's also a chance to learn from peers, to learn from the clients, and it's not purely output based.
It was working in a hard problem in very compressed time. You spend the first 5 weeks in ideation and discovery, and then the last 3 weeks is very intense, coming up to a recommendation or a plan with which to move forward.
The biggest hesitation I had is the amount of work it would be outside the class. But A, the teams have all been really supportive, and working with other students has lessened that perceived burden. And B, it is what you want to make of it. And so I've appreciated the opportunity to scope our own projects and make it realistic, but still ambitious and meaningful.
I like to work on things that I know will have an impact somewhere. And I'm happy to know that at least some of it will be used to solve any particular pain point or challenge they're experiencing, and that's very rewarding to me.
I've kind of turned into an ALP junkie because I will be participating in a third one next quarter. There's such different experiences, different teams, different faculty, different subjects, different clients that, again, the question for me was why not take another one?
I'd recommend an ALP, one, as a way of working with the world-class organization outside of Stanford. Two, as a way of spending the quarter with a small team of colleagues and classmates that you can form a relationship with. And third, because it's just different than what you do in other classes.